Hi guys, I showed you I picked this little transmitter up in a charity shop the other day. They actually gave it to me. I bought some other stuff and they just sort of threw this in with the package. I've tried it, haven't been able to get it to work with any of the cars that I've got, so I took it apart just to check, see what frequency it is. If I zoom in, we might be able to read it on that crystal. Focus. There we go, 27.145. Must be quite an old one, because the modern ones don't seem to have crystals in them anymore. Well, I say modern, most of them are 24 gig now, aren't they? Or 2.4 gigahertz, sorry, not 24. Anyway, while we got it apart, we've actually got sliders rather than buttons that you normally get on these cheap controllers. I did wonder whether they were actually proportional control, but they're not. They're just center position, left and right. There's no resistive path there, it's just an ordinary copper track. That one's fairly well worn. And the same with the forwards, backwards. It's just 3 positions. But they are rather nice. They've got, you know, nice operating sticks, levers. What's that? Japan 9444 HB TC 4024 BP. I don't know if the light's good enough to see the numbers on the other chips. I'll just change the focus. What about the other one? Yeah, I think that's as good as I'm going to get. So, that's what it is inside. So I'll pop it back together. Okay, a bit of sticky tape was supposed to hold them down. I'll put a new piece on because that's lost its sticky. I notice it says inspection band 1 on the back, so I've tried it on my bit New Bright McLaren Mercedes, because that's got band selection 1, 2, 3, 4. So I tried this on that one and it didn't work with that. So we're a bit stuck. Just trying to read what that says on the back there. Is that Asahi Corporation? Asahi. So, put a battery in it. LED comes on. But it doesn't appear to operate any of the cars that I've got. So, it will just go in the stock, and every time I get a new car, we can try it. Oh yeah, Asahi. Raging Bull. I might have a look online, see if we can find the car it went with. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.